viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Avis Abolade, the son of Baba Aramide. Welcome to my program. If you are new to this channel, I use God to beg you, please subscribe. I use God to beg you, please subscribe. That is what I want. I didn't ask of money. What I want, just subscribe. Share this program with your friend. Share this program with your family. Let's help ourselves. Let this program go viral. I use God to beg you, please subscribe. Please subscribe. In short, what I would like to share with you people today is how to treat seizure. If you have seizure or someone has it around you, this is the remedy of seizure. Just try it. It's small, but it's mighty. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herb, such as Koba herb. This Koba effective for manpower, and Agbo Iseto effective for prostate cancer. This one effective for prostate alignment, and prostate cancer. And infection flusher, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. You can call my number is 080 39 33 6675 or is 080 87 53 35 84. That is my number. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. How to treat seizure. If you have seizure or someone has it around you, try these tips. Go and look for duck intestine. Go and look for it. And electric fish, live one. Electric fish, you can use 3, you can use 6, you can use more than that. And yellow bitter yam, Yoruba call it esuru pupa, yellow bitter yam. And asofeyeje seed, and werenjeje cat eye seed, Yoruba call it eso werenjeje, with cat sheet. How to do it? Go and look for native pot. Pack all these items inside native pot. Intestine of duck, and electric fish, live one, electric fish, and bitter yam, yellow bitter yam, and asofeyeje seed, and cat eye seed. Yoruba call it oju olongbo, cat eye fish, with cat sheet. Pack all these items inside that pot, then put it on fire, burn it, let it turn to charcoal. Please don't let it turn to ashes. If you have any other question for this, just comment. Then burn it very well, grind it. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Aviz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok, Dr. Aviz Abolade. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Aviz Abolade. Share this program. Share it with your friend. Share it with your family. I use God to beg you. Let's help ourselves. Let this program go viral, please. That is what I want. I didn't ask of money. What I want, just subscribe, share, like, and comment. That is it. For more video, please subscribe. Grant this very well. You can use code PAP. Just put this powder, take small out of this powder, use it to drink code PAP. Use this powder, use it to drink code PAP. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. Thanks for watching.